Where's the fun? When we talk about functional groups, we can use them to help us predict smells of certain molecules. Acetones have an O-N-E ending. They are a typical molecule within the ketone family. Ketones look like this cluster that is highlighted, and as you can see, it has a sort of a sweet smell. From the alcohol family, we have compounds that contain an O and an H, also known as a hydroxyl group, and smell medicinal. If you have an amine compound, you definitely have something that's a little bit fishy, as in bad breath. Watch for those in compounds that contain nitrogen-carbon groups. More functional groups. Now you know where all the fun is. In alkanes, you have carbons and hydrogens only, and we have A-N-E endings. Those smell like gasolines, just like in your camp stove fuels. If you have an ic acid, it is going to be kind of stinky, beware, as in your sweat. And that's pretty typical of compounds that contain the carboxyl group. Finally, if you see a compound that has YL and ATE in the endings of their two names, those are from the ester family. Esters look like this. They are definitely sweet and can be found in a lot of your fruit smells. 2.7 Ester Synthesis. If you want to make a fruity smell, it is pretty easy to do in lab. All you need to do is take a carboxylic acid. So this is a carboxylic. This right here is a carboxylic acid. And take an alcohol. So this is an alcohol. Here's your carboxyl group. Here's your alcohol group. And it turns out that where you see the bonds break, those in the blue part make up one of the products, which would be water. And the other product, you would link this carbon to this carbon. So everything you see in the tan, that becomes the ester. So you can make an ester from a carboxylic acid and an alcohol with the help of a catalyst known as sulfuric acid. Catalysts are not reactants, they merely help the reaction occur. And that is it for today's video.